y'all. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this butterfly braid top knot bun with the little butterfly braid and the bang. Super cute, super easy, and it's honestly just in time for the holidays. I did wear this hairstyle to my baby shower. So this is my hair silk press style. I was just showing y'all how my hair done grew back already, and I just got it cut a couple months ago. So yeah, but anyways, I'm just starting out with parting my hair in the way that the style is. So pretty much I'm parting out my bang first. I did go for a heavier bang this time just because I knew that I would be braiding a section of it, and I wanted to make sure not only was my braid full enough, but that once I braided that portion, that my bang wouldn't look skimpy. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna start molding my ponytail up. Yeah, I'm just combing it into place where I want the ponytail to sit, and then I'm gonna put the ponytail in. For me, it's easier to put my ponytail in my hair and then mold my hair in sections and then take the ponytail holder out and re-put it back in as I go along. You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just, yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Okay, so now that my ponytail is molded up how I want it to be, I'm just going to put my real hair in a bun, tie it down with a ponytail holder, and I'm going to be using some expression hair. This came from the 6-pack. I'm using 1 pack to do the braid, and then I'm using I'm using 1 bundle to do the braid, and then I'm using another bundle to add in, like feed in to the braid. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, yes, I'm just going to be braiding this and turning it into a butterfly braid. Super simple.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved out. yourself, you really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, I feel it, I feel it. Ooh.
So once your braid is finished, also I didn't mention this, but of course I know y'all saw me do it, leave out a piece of hair for that wraparound piece. So anyways, you're just going to be using your braid and wrapping it all the way around your bun and using some bobby pins as you go. I suggest, I was pulling on the braid real hard because I did not make the braid that long, and I actually needed a little bit more braid to cover my bun. I kind of underestimated the size of my actual bun. So if you do this hairstyle, try to make your bun as small, your like real hair bun, as small as possible. But anyways, once you get it wrapped around how you want it, make sure you secure it in place, and then that piece that's at the end, I'm going to put that in with the wraparound piece and begin to wrap around the base of that bun. And I like my wraparound piece to show on my buns, so I am like gonna move the braid up a little bit just to make sure like that you could see the wraparound piece and then the bun is sitting on top.
It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been there for 2.
Okay, so now on to the bang. I am sectioning out a piece of hair where I want my braid to be, and I'm just going to do a regular braid it down. What I suggest you do is not braid it too far down, because if you braid it too far down, you can't curl the braid and it's gonna sit on top of your curl bang and it's not gonna allow it to be curled properly. So I did end up braiding it down too far first, and then I ended up taking it down a little bit, moving it up, like making the braid a little bit, the braided part a little bit shorter. And I'm gonna curl the end of this so that it'll blend in with my bang piece when I curl my bang. So I just moved it back and then curled the bang. And honestly, I had to chop up the video because the amount of times that I curled my bang is crazy. Like the fact that I was rushing like that is insane. Why didn't I just use my curling iron? The world may never know. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and curl my little baby hairs and little pull out hairs that I got in the back, and then I'm going to be slicking my baby hair down. So as for me and my edges, we like to be dramatic, okay? Now if you don't want dramatic edges, you can literally skip this whole process and you wouldn't leave any hair out during the molding process for your bun. So you would just pretty much be done after you finish you curling your bang. But I'm doing my baby hairs, my sideburns, and yeah.
7 days a week, but now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, I feel it, I feel it. This gon' be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
So at this point, I'm fluffing out my braid one last time, and you know, making some final little touches. But this is pretty much it for the tutorial. I really hope y'all like this hair tutorial. If y'all try it out, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me.